If you're experiencing server timeout issues in FIFA 24, this guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Follow these steps to get back to playing smoothly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official EA Sports website or social media channels to check if there are any ongoing server outages or maintenance. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Power off your gaming console or PC and unplug it from the power source for a few minutes. Then plug it back in and restart the device. This can help refresh your network connection and clear any temporary issues. Step 3. Test your internet connection. Run a speed test to ensure your internet connection is stable and fast enough for online gaming. If your connection is slow or unstable, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider for assistance. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Access your network settings and change your DNS server to a public DNS like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8 4.4. This can improve connectivity and reduce server timeout issues. Step 5. Reinstall FIFA 24. If the problem persists, uninstall FIFA 24 from your device and then reinstall it. This can fix any corrupted files that may be causing the server timeout error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the server timeout issue in FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.